How to fix Instagram not sending a verification code. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix Instagram not sending a verification code. The first step is to open the Settings app of your iPhone, just like you can see here. Once you are inside the settings, scroll down and go through the list of apps until you find the Messages app. Tap on it to open its settings. On the page that appears, scroll down and tap on the option named Blocked Contacts. Once you are here, make sure you carefully check if the number that sends verification codes is blocked. If it is, unblock it so that messages can come through. After that, come back to the Messages settings page and scroll down again until you reach the Message Filtering option. Under this section, tap on the option named Unknown and Spam. On the page that opens, you will see a toggle button named Filter Unknown Senders. If this is turned on, toggle it off so that all messages, including verification codes, can appear. Next, exit this page and return to the main settings page of your iPhone. Scroll up and tap on the option named Passwords. On the new page, tap on Password Options. Here you will see an option under verification codes named Delete After Use. If this is turned on, toggle it off so that your verification codes do not disappear automatically after being used once. After you have done that, exit the Settings app and open the App Store. Search for Instagram and check if the app has an update available. If there is an update, make sure you install it because sometimes outdated apps can prevent verification codes from being sent properly. Once the update is complete, open Instagram again and check if the problem has been resolved. The process is that simple, and following these steps should help fix the issue. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue, and now you know what to do if Instagram is not sending verification codes. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to fix Instagram not sending a verification code.